Buildings are the face of the University of Illinois system. Bricks and mortar has forged a unique identity for each of our three remarkable universities. Iconic landmarks, old and new, are magnets that help attract students and visitors alike, and then become the postcards that live forever in the mind's eye. But our facilities are so much more. They are cornerstones of our global reputation for excellence, essential tools that support the student experience in the classroom and out, and the leading-edge research discovery that drives progress. So we are investing in facilities as we reach toward the goals of our strategic framework, an ambitious roadmap that seeks to make the U of I system the gold standard for the very best in research-intensive higher education. Over the last 5 years, we invested $1.2 billion in construction and renovation across the system, even as a budget impasse sharply reduced state funding. Now we are ramping up our efforts, setting priorities to do even more to ensure state-of-the-art learning, laboratory, and living spaces that keep pace with the quality of our academic and research programs, and maintain our standing as a go-to destination for top students and faculty. Facilities are the face of the U of I system. They are also at the very heart of our core mission to serve students and the public good. As Winston Churchill said, "We shape our buildings. Thereafter, they shape us."